Corona Cigar of the Month unboxing for September. We're on the basic pack right now. So the first thing we got is a Rocky Patel, and it is the Rocky Patel Quarter Century. Tell me about it.
All right, let's unwrap it. The Rocky Patel Quarter Century is kind of a celebratory cigar. It's got a Mexican San Andres wrapper, Honduran and binder, and a blend of Nicaraguan fillers. There you go, nice and brief.
Nice and brief, exactly. Tell me about the La Gloria Cubana Miami Natural.
So the La Gloria Cubana Miami Natural is all about that Ecuadorian Sumatra wrapper, which gives it a nice, slightly spicy and rich character. Underneath, you've got that Nicaraguan binder and a combo of Nicaraguan and Dominican fillers. Just a perfect little Miami crafted blend.
Perfect. All right, for the next one, we got an Avo, and it is the Avo Classic Connecticut. Tell me about the Avo Classic Connecticut. It looks dark for a Connecticut. But anyway, it's the Avo Classic number 2. That's what I'm holding in my hand right here. Tell me about it.
So the Avo Classic number 2 is a bit of a legend in the Connecticut world. Even if it looks a little darker, it's still got that Ecuadorian Connecticut wrapper, just a richer shade. Inside, it's all Dominican binder and fillers, giving you that smooth, creamy, and mellow profile Avo's known for.
This is the Casabella Maduro. Tell me about that one.
The Casabella Maduro is basically the richer, darker sibling of the original Casabella. It's got a Maduro wrapper, which gives it a bit more depth and a touch of sweetness. The fillers are still a Dominican and Nicaraguan blend, so it's a smooth, easy smoke, but with a bit more body.
It's the Diesel Vintage Natty.
It's all about that Ecuadorian Habano wrapper. Under the hood, it's got Nicaraguan binder and fillers, so you get this really nice, earthy, and spicy profile that's still super smooth. It's definitely a standout from the past few years.
4 Kicks Capa Especial with that Ecuadorian Sumatra wrapper. Tell me about that one.
The 4 Kicks Capa Especial is a gem. It features that Ecuadorian Sumatra wrapper, so you're getting this lovely, slightly spicy and complex flavor. Inside, you've got a Nicaraguan binder and a mix of Dominican and Nicaraguan fillers, which gives it a really balanced profile. It's a great one to finish on.
All right, so this is the basic pack by Corona for September. You get some budget-friendly options. You get some staples. You get some kind of new stuff, some great stuff. Really great Habano. Nice Avo overall. Hey, like usual, the basic pack, very friendly. Let's go on to the premium. All right, we're moving on to the premium Cigar of the Month Club for Corona Cigars, September. It's not August, it's September. If I said September at any point in this video, or August, I meant September. Anyway, this is the Monte Cristo Nicaragua is the first one. Tell me about it.
This one's crafted with a Nicaraguan Puro blend, meaning everything from the wrapper to the filler is Nicaraguan tobacco. That gives it a nice, rich and bold profile with some peppery and earthy notes, plus a bit of sweetness. Definitely a solid start for the premium lineup.
It's the Don Pepin Blue Label. Tell me about that, the original.
This one's got an Nicaraguan Corojo Oscuro wrapper, and it's packed with all Nicaraguan binder and fillers. Flavor-wise, you're looking at something bold, spicy, and peppery with a lot of richness. It's got that signature Pepin Garcia kick. Definitely a great, flavorful addition to your lineup.
All right, the next one is the El Séptimo Sacred Arts Da Vinci Lancero. Looks like the wrapper is undisclosed. Anything you can tell me about this cigar? So you don't know shit about this one. Cool, we're all in the same boat. Next up is the Julius Caesar.
This one's a classic from J.C. Newman, and it's got an Ecuadorian Havana seed wrapper with Dominican binder and fillers. So it's a really nice, medium-bodied cigar with a kind of creamy, slightly sweet profile.
Warped, Grand Reserve, 1988. 1 year before I was born, Warped.
The Warped Grand Reserve in 1988 is a special one. It's got a Nicaraguan Corojo 99 wrapper and all Nicaraguan binder and fillers, so it's a Puro through and through. You'll get a nice medium body profile with some sweetness, a bit of earthiness, and a touch of spice. It's got that warped finesse, so definitely a fun one to celebrate your birth year -1 with.
It says the wrapper is a Nicaraguan shade Jalapa Corojo 99.
Smoke.
So hopefully a warped cigar that doesn't taste like air. Thank you. What a freaking yapper today. Anyway, that's the premium pack. That's Corona September, not October or November or December, but not August, definitely for sure. This has been Corona Cigar of the Month Club for September. Like all that jazz, or don't. Peace.